Alright, this is how to make a cheap airsoft grenade out of water balloons and BBs.
And water.
Yeah.
So what you do is you get your water balloon and your speed loader. If you don't have a speed loader, you can use this. So what you do, put the water balloon right on the edge of the speed loader, like that. That's awesome. Hold the balloon and just load the BBs in it. Once you have, you'll notice when you have enough when the BBs are like already at the top. So what you do is you stretch it out. Then over here, the water, and I'll turn it on. The water balloon right here. Everything has up, and we'll make a retarded sheet water balloon. So you just let the water out. You have like a small size water balloon with BBs inside it. Then choose this. You tie the water balloon. Tie it. Bubbles are awesome. Then
we'll show you what it looks like. Right, throw it by the chain.
Oh, throw it right there by the chain.
Yeah, right underneath.
And I don't know if you saw that, but a bunch of BBs went flying and one hit me.
Alright, that's it. Bye.